Hey everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different for me because it's not, I don't usually do tool reviews, but there's not like a lot of information out there on this. Milwaukee did a thing where they used like a 12 amp hour battery and cut like 15 cars in half, and that was cool. But I wanted some real world feedback and I couldn't find it anywhere. There's like one video of one guy cutting random stuff, but it seems like he had every cut started ahead of time. So I don't really know how long it took him or anything. And the reason for this is that these things cost a lot of money. So I don't want to spend a lot of money on something if it doesn't work the way I want it to. And the reason for me to get this is to cut engines out in the junkyard or transmissions or whatever I want. So if it can do that on a single battery pack, then it's worth the money, because thanks to all of you guys, I'm making a little bit more on YouTube. I make a few $100 a month. And this is what I bought this month, was this, and I bought this, and I used part of my affiliate link from all the stuff you guys buy through the Amazon affiliate links is what paid for the battery and the blade. So what I have here is the Milwaukee Fuel Sawzall M18. It's 2720-20. I bought it brand new open box on eBay from a kit that somebody was parting out, which was a tip somebody gave me in the Driveway Engineer Facebook group. So I paid like $105 shipped for this instead of, they go for $200. I got it almost half off. The XC 8 amp hour battery I got from Amazon, and it was refurbished, but I think it was just a return because it came in a totally stock Milwaukee box that had not been opened. It was all shrink wrapped. Like really hard to get into. The blade is another open box kind of deal. This is a Diablo. I think the specs are right on it. It's a 6-inch long blade. I think it's like 7 teeth per inch. Sorry. Anyway, I've not used any of this yet. I charged this battery up. I've been on the phone all morning for work stuff. So now I'm in a mood to cut some things apart. So real world, I wanted to see how this translates to the real world. For the people watching my channel, we're doing junkyard stuff. You know, we're doing LS stuff. We're chopping up little pieces of exhaust pipe. So what can it do? What can you expect out of it? So again, this should be fully charged. Okay. This is the trailer hitch, the factory hitch off of Clifford. So it's a 99 to 02 2500 HD factory hitch. It's 1/4-inch wall. I don't know the diameter. I'm a little bit, don't think that my blade will get all the way around it, but it doesn't matter. It'll still serve the purpose. So this is 1/4-inch wall, which is heavier than any frame, but if you need to cut a hitch off for some reason, will it do it? And then this is 3/16 mild steel. I stayed away from the edges where I've plasma cut because it might be work hardened or something. It probably is. So I have a 3x3 square marked out here that we'll cut through. So I'm going to start with the trailer hitch, and we will go from there. That was absurdly easy. That was 100% real time, not sped up, no trickery involved. That went ridiculously easy. All right, let's try this again. I have a bit of a hard time securing it. I'm not a professional metal cutter, so give me a break. That was not a good move. Take 3. So, other than my struggles holding it and the fact that I sawed into my new desk and my wife's gonna have a fit, that was also ridiculously easy. It didn't take more than a minute. I would say, just for the hell of it, let me grab my calipers here. Alright, just for the hell of it, so everybody can see, that's 185, also known as 3/16. This is, sorry it won't focus. Anyway, it's 270, but it's 250. So let's check the battery. Still showing a full charge. So let's check the blade. I don't see any chips in it. I know it's not focusing. I don't know how to make it focus. There we go. There's no chips in it. It looks great. This cut edge looks great. This cut edge looks great. It didn't get hot. It wasn't difficult in any way. So I guess there you have it. What do we got into this? It's all expensive, and that's, I have no problem, I guess, with buying expensive tools if I know they work. So I probably have $200 into this setup altogether. The blade was $8, the Sawzall was $105, and the battery pack was like $70. So 175, 182, $182, and you can cut a frame in half, which is not a bad deal, really. So if you're thinking about buying this thing, go ahead and buy it. I would say absolutely. It'll cut through anything you want to cut with ease. Yeah, I think it's going to be a great tool for me for a long time. So I have absolutely no problem recommending it. Till next time, this is JR. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on The Driveway Engineer, where it probably won't be a tool review because I'm not AVE and I'm not funny like him. So, see ya.